Of course, Mickey Mouse. Take a quick look. Look at Hawkeye. Try to look at Hawkeye right there. Do you see? You see it? Yep. There's what's left of the light rail from the Brickmania event. Just sitting there, sad. Avengers Endgame was super good. I saw it 2 days after it came out, and it was super good. It was the best movie I've ever seen. We are from the planet Duplo, and we are here to destroy you. Rick and Morty. Batman, what the crap are you doing? Joker? What's he doing here? There are some familiar faces in the circus. I see Chima minifigures, Minecraft, and Ninjago minifigures. Fly, my childhood traumatizers! Santa? Hagrid? Oh look, some guy fell down. Oh, well, what do we have here? Oh! I remember seeing this train on a childhood, watching this on a TV show when I was young. I love toy trains. That was part of my childhood. Aside from Thomas the Tank Engine and many other childhood cartoons. I guess someone started up the train, I guess. Oh, and I hear it coming. The scrapyard. Well, 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 what do we have here? The layout here is supposed to display St. Paul, Minnesota, and Minneapolis in the 40s and the 50s. Huh. Impressive. Most impressive. Hot dog stand. Oh. Oh God. I'm gonna make a Five Nights at Freddy's joke. Five Nights at Station Guards. Oh, Dumbo! Ferris wheel. And duck shoot. Okay, there's more buttons. What does this one do? Oh! Swing ride. Pony ride. Oh hey, look, it's the circus train. Or at least there's one car of it. I'm gonna do it for the sake of my childhood. Oh God. Remember when I brought up the show I Love Toy Trains earlier in this video? This looks exactly like one of the sets that was in that show, especially this train. This train was featured in a lot of episodes of this show. In fact, all the trains here, all of them were featured in it. I feel like TMT Books donated this set to the Twin Cities Model Railroad Museum. Oh hey look, there's Sir Topham Hatt. Oh, you may have seen it or not, but you may have seen familiar faces on one of those train cars. As a matter of fact, I do have some. I found some at a thrift shop near my house, so I have some of these. Well, not exactly these, but same type of product brand of toy trains. Oh crap. This looks similar to one of the trains in the TV show Tugs, which was inspired by Thomas the Tank Engine. It looks like Puffa or the Goods engine. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Now, I gotta see if I can purchase some things at the gift shop. I don't like to leave places like these empty-handed.